Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about US-Iran conflict and impact on India because of these conflicts. Let's begin with the question. Our today's question is, discuss the impact of the rising US-Iran conflict on India in the present scenario. It means we need to define what is the dispute between both of them and what are the impacts on India and what are the measures to curb it, and finally the conclusion. Let's see the significance of this question is that can be asked in GS paper 2 under the headings of India and its neighborhood, government policies and interventions, then effect of policies and politics of countries on India's interest. Our introduction would be, USA and Iran entered into a conflict after the withdrawal of USA from Iran nuclear deal, and another name is Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, JCPOA in short, in 2018, which was signed in 2015 by P5 plus permanent 5 plus 1. These are US, UK, China, France, Germany and Russia. The conflict is continuously rising because of it. India also impacted by this conflict. India has good relation with both the countries and both are important for India at global level. Then what are the impacts on India? In impact on energy security, India imports nearly 80% of its crude oil requirements and Iran is the largest partner of India in crude oil import. But due to sanctions, stop import of oil from Iran, which was impacted India and Iran relations. Then foreign investment outflows. Foreign portfolio investment impacted by the conflict. Then GDP impacted. How it was? According to CSO, an organization, GDP, gross domestic product of India, will be impacted, increase current account deficit due to this conflict. Then fall in stock market and Indian currency. As per the experts, India has the advantage of conducting trade with the Iran due to low prices of crude oil, but US sanctions doesn't allow us to import oil and prices. That's why prices of shares may decrease. Effect on Indian diaspora and remittance. Near about 8 million Indians living in the Gulf region. Increasing conflict in this region resulted as a heavy reverse migration. Job losses and reduced remittance can be cause serious challenge to India for the domestic economy. Or increase inflation due to high prices of crude oil, increase cost of petrol, diesel, refinery, and then increase of transportation cost. Then cost of goods and services resulted as high inflation. Leverage for Pakistan. How it is leverage for Pakistan? Pakistan influence our internal security through terrorist attacks and activities in Jammu and Kashmir. Then foreign policy choices. Due to this conflict, hard to make balance between countries because Saudi Arabia, UAE, United Arab Emirates are allies of USA, whereas Turkey is moving towards Russia, which is a NATO member, and US also lead NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. On the other hand, Iran allies with China and Russia. Then impact on development projects. India's connectivity to Afghanistan will become trouble via Chabhar port in Iran. Other development projects may impacted like North-South corridor to connect West Asia. It will push Iran towards China. China continuously importing oil from Iran even after the imposing sanctions by USA. These conflicts between US and Iran may push Iran to depend on China. The Iran-China 25-year cooperation program is example of it. Then what is the way forward? What steps need to be taken to resolve these issues and impact on India? Iran and USA need to rejoin nuclear deal. USA should lift sanctions as a global power and resolve issue between each other. India and International Atomic Energy Agency, in short IAEA, can play role of mediator to resolve issues between USA and Iran. India can adopt instrument in support of trade exchanges, INSTEX in short, mechanism to continue trade with Iran. It will help us to maintain good relation between both the countries. India can use rupee payment mechanism to overcome the sanctions. India should build strategic reserves for future needs. India need to take steps for boosting renewable energy to reduce dependency on other countries for energy security. Need to enhance investment in Chabad port. Then what is the conclusion? Our conclusion would be USA as a world leader need to widen its viewpoint and resolve issues with Iran, and then rejoin nuclear deal and maintain peace and stability in this region. Which with that we can also achieve sustainable development goal 16, which is peace, justice and strong institutions. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.